I apologize. I did not know there was a recording limit, so I can record only 10 minutes at a time. But don't worry, there's only like a minute left, so I'll get done with this really quickly. If you're listening to this first before the other video recording, close this one, go back to the first one, listen to that one, and then listen to this one. Okay, so we're back to succession where it's showing you, put this out of the way. So again, we're showing how the soil gets thicker over time, right? Do you see that happening? Because we have more weathering over time, and we have bigger plants that are able to grow because we have more soil for them to grow in. Okay, so this is the last slide. So again, just going over what a lichen is. Some of you may be very interested in this. I don't know why this is not moving anymore. There we go. Okay, so lichens are called the pioneer species. They're the first species to colonize an area during succession. This is what they look like. You'll see them outside on trees. They're able to break down bark and rock to eat. That's pretty amazing if you think about it. So the reason other living things can live in an ecosystem is because of these guys. They're the first ones that can survive, and they eat rock by secreting acids. So they release acids outside their body. They secrete them like you secrete sweat, and they erode the rock to form soil. So this is a chemical weathering. They actually break down and weather the rock using acids. It's pretty crazy. So now other living things can live because they're putting organic material into the sand or into the broken up rock, which is the step one in creating that soil. So after we have that organic material, that fertilizer, then small plants can grow. Once we have all the plants, then animals can move in. So really, lichens are the whole reason ecosystems can exist from bare rock. So what makes up a lichen? A lichen is not an individual species by itself. It's actually 3 different species living together and working together to survive. So there's fungi, algae, and bacteria. They all live together. So that is bacteria, algae, and fungi all together. And they live in harmony. They don't compete with each other. They help each other. One secretes the acid, while the other one protects them. And then the other one absorbs the minerals from the rock. It's quite amazing. Okay, so that is it for day 2.